In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the laptop touchpad is not working. So let's get started. So we need to use the external mouse in order to perform the actions that we need to do. So let's go quick into it. First is we need to open the device manager. So in order to open the device manager, we have to make a right click at the start button, and here we have to select device manager, or you can directly go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply search for device manager. Now, once the device manager window is open, then you just need to simply locate mice and other pointing devices. If you don't have the external keyboard or external mouse, sorry for that, external mouse, simply use the tab key and then use the down arrow keys until you can get into mice and other pointing devices. Click on the right arrow key to expand the list, and then look for the HID compliant mouse or each driver. From here, you need to update. Simply hit enter and then click the tab key. Use the right arrow key and then use the tab key until you can get into update driver. Hit enter and then click on search automatically for drivers, and then simply click the tab key to close it. Hit enter and then tab key again. Hit enter to close, and then do the same thing for the second one. And then locate the human interface devices. Use the up arrow key and hit the right arrow key to expand the list. And simply use the down arrow key and look for the touchpad driver or the HID compliant touchpad. Now once done, hit enter. And here we need to simply click on the tab key and then use the right arrow key and then use the tab key and click on update driver. Hit enter. Now you can go with browse my computer for drivers. So go click on the down arrow key, hit enter. Use the tab key. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, hit enter. Now here you just need to simply choose one by one as to what will work for you. So then hit enter. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Hit enter again and then use the tab key. Hit enter to close. And then for the final method, the same thing, go back to the same device manager window. And then you need to locate the HID compliant touchpad. Hit enter. Now use the tab key, right key or the right arrow key and then tab key and select the uninstall device. Hit enter. Now you have to click on the uninstall button. Hit enter. And then you just need to simply restart your Windows. So simply press the Windows key and then you have to use the tab key and then right arrow key to get into the power button. Hit enter and then use the down arrow key to restart your Windows. Hit enter. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.